In this tutorial, we'll be learning how to visualize the male-to-female ratio on a map using Python and the US Census API. Let's dive in. We'll revisit the same link we utilized in the previous tutorial. This link houses all the US Census tables relevant to this tutorial. You can also find it in the description of this video. B01001_002E is the table that contains the total male population in each state. B01001_026E contains the total female population in each state. We will be using both tables to calculate the male-to-female ratio for each state. First, you'll need to import the relevant libraries and modules. Then, you'll need to retrieve census data for male and female populations from each U.S. state. We then define a function to format census data into a data frame and do this for both male and female population data. We then need to merge the formatted male and female data frames based on the state. We then calculate the male-to-female population ratio for each state and add it to the merged data frame. We then prepare the data to make a colored map of the United States using Plotly's built-in choropleth feature. Finally, we can create a plot and save it as an HTML file. Don't worry about writing all of this down now. This code will be included in the description of this video. We will now run the code and view our map. Each state will be colored based on its male-to-female ratio. Brighter colors indicate a larger male-to-female ratio, or a relatively larger male population. Darker colors indicate a smaller male-to-female ratio, or a relatively smaller male population. Thank you very much for watching this tutorial. Remember to like and subscribe. See you next time.